What's going on, YouTube? I just want to make a quick tutorial in response to a question that I got from Jay Hufield. How do you make the direction of the x-axis, the text, up instead of down? To do this, you want to first right-click on the axis, and then after that, the menu will pop up. You can click at the bottom, Format Axis. After clicking this, you can click the second option from the right, that Size and Properties, right there, and then where you see under the first option, alignment, text direction, you can then either click rotate all 90 degrees to have it look like that, where the beginning of the name is at the top and it goes to the bottom, or you can click rotate 270 degrees and then it will do it the other way. You can even do it stacked if you'd want to, but yeah, click rotate 90, rotate 270. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.